Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make animation with Leonardo AI. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go to Leonardo AI and just simply sign in into your account. So guys, here at the homepage of Leonardo AI, you should be able to see here the motion tab, and from here on the motion tab, you should be able to see all of the public creation that have a motion. So this is from different users as you can see over here, guys. So in order for you to do one, you can just simply go ahead and go to the left side of the screen and go for AI tools and go for motion over here. And now here on the motion, just simply select an image that you want to be a motion. And after that, as you can see, when you click on select image, you should be able to see here all of your prompted characters. And at the top, you should be able to see here collection, community feed, or follower feed. So you can use other picture as well. Here you can choose your own generation and click on it and click on confirm. And after that, guys, you can adjust here the motion strength and the private mode as well. And guys, since the free plan is unavailable for this feature, I would be able to generate one. But if you do, you can just simply click on generate over here. But guys, you have to upgrade your Leonardo AI to a premium plan in order for you to have this option. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Leonardo AI, and thanks for watching. See ya.